Let's learn about the modern period in English literature today. So first we need to understand what is the time period of modern age. Modern age started in 1901 and it lasted till 1965. So why this age is called modern age and how it started? So we see that in 1901 Queen Victoria died. The earlier period before 1901 was called the Victorian period because Queen Victoria was the queen and she was ruling over England that time. Thereafter, the time which started in 1901 that was called modern age. So this year marks the beginning of modern age in English literature. The modern age is the age of revolutionary discoveries and inventions. Two world wars happened during this period, and the main characteristics of modern literature are individualism, experimentalism, and absurdity. So now let's discuss about major writers of the time and their important works. T.S. Eliot is major writer of modern period and his important works are Sweeney Agonistes, The Rock, Murder in the Cathedral, The Family Reunion, The Cocktail Party, The Confidential Clerk, The Elder Statesman, The Wasteland, The Hollow Man, Prufrock and Other Observations, Tradition and Individual Talents. Next, Virginia Woolf. Important works of Virginia Woolf are The Voyage Out, Night and Day, The Jacob's Room, Mrs. Dalloway is very important novel written by Virginia Woolf, Mrs. Dalloway, and To the Lighthouse. A Room of One's Own, Orlando, a biography, Reminiscences, 22 Hyde Last Gate. Joseph Conrad's important works are Heart of Darkness, Lord Jim, Nostromo, The Nigger of Narcissus, Elmire's Folly, The Outcast of Islands, The Inheritors. Important works of James Joyce are Dubliners, A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, Exiles and Poetry, Finnegan's Wake. E.M. Forster's important works are Where Angels Fear to Tread. The title is taken from Shakespeare's work, so it's very important. This is a type of question from exam point of view. Next is The Longest Journey, A Room with a View, Howard's End, A Passage to India. Passage to India is based on E.M. Forster's visit to India. Morris is also important work of E.M. Forster. Next is D.H. Lawrence. D.H. Lawrence important works are The Lost Girl, Aaron's Rod, Lady Chatterley's Lover, The White Peacock, The Trespasser, Sons and Lovers is very important work of D.H. Lawrence, The Rainbow, Woman in Love. Next is W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats important works are The Countess Kathleen, The Land of Heart's Desire, The King of Threshold, Leda and the Swan, The Second Coming, Sailing to Byzantium, The Lake Isle of Innisfree, Easter 1916, Under Ben Bulben. G.B. Shaw's important works are The Widower's House, The Philanderer, Mrs. Warren's Profession, Arms and the Man, Caesar and Cleopatra, Man and Superman, Saint John, Pygmalion. Important works of Harold Pinter are The Birthday Party, The Dumb Waiter, The Caretaker, A Night Out, The Homecoming, Silence, The Room, The Dwarfs, Old Times. Samuel Beckett's important works are Murphy, Watt, Malloy, Malondies, The Unnameable, Waiting for Godot, Endgame, Crab's Last Tape, How It Is, Happy Days. I.A. Richards' important works are The Principles of Literary Criticism, Practical Criticism, The Foundation of Aesthetics, The Meaning of Meaning. F.R. Leavis' important works are New Bearing in English Poetry, For Continuity, Revolution, The Great Tradition, D.H. Lawrence, Novelist. Important works of William Empson are Seven Types of Ambiguity, Milton's God, Collected Poems, The Gathering Poem. So this is all about modern